Hi, it's Carl, and today I want to introduce to you a friend of mine and also one of the best plumbers I've ever known, Daniel Heath of Drain Daddy Plumbing. And Drain Daddy Plumbing is a family-run business, and Daniel is second-generation plumber. And Dan can definitely fix a pain in your drain, but he can fix a singing toilet, a clogged drain, and everything in between. Not to mention, he's a pretty funny guy. So next time you have a plumbing issue, whether it's your house, your condo, your apartment building, call Daniel Heath with Drain Daddy, and Daniel will come out and fix the pain in your drain.